Today, we're diving into the G.Skill Trident C5 RGB DDR5 memory, specifically the F5600J3040G32GX2TC5RK model. This powerhouse kit offers 64GB of blazing fast RAM, clocked at an impressive 6000 MHz. If you're looking to upgrade your desktop's performance, especially for gaming or intensive tasks, this memory kit could be the game changer you need. First off, let's talk about speed. With a frequency of 6000 MHz, the Trident C5 RGB provides one of the highest clock speeds available in consumer memory kits. This means faster data processing and improved overall system responsiveness. Whether you're gaming, rendering videos, or running multiple applications simultaneously, this RAM kit ensures smooth and efficient performance. Aesthetically, the Trident C5 RGB does not disappoint. It features a sleek design with a black finish that complements any build. The RGB lighting adds a dynamic visual element to your rig, and it's fully customizable through G.Skill's lighting control software. You can sync it with other RGB components in your system for a cohesive look, making your setup not only powerful but also visually stunning. Compatibility is another strong suit of this memory kit. It's designed for desktops and supports the latest motherboards with DDR5 support. Installing the Trident C5 RGB is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. Plus, G.Skill is known for rigorous testing, ensuring stability and reliability across various systems. One of the special features of this kit is its lightweight design. Despite packing a whopping 64GB, the Trident C5 RGB is engineered to be lightweight without compromising on performance or durability. This makes it an excellent choice for those who are concerned about the weight of their components, especially in custom builds where every gram can count. For those interested in future-proofing their systems, the Trident C5 RGB offers excellent headroom for overclocking. The advanced cooling solutions and high-quality materials used in its construction allow for higher performance tweaks without risking stability. This makes it ideal for enthusiasts looking to push their systems to the limit. In summary, the G.Skill Trident C5 RGB DDR5 memory kit, model F5600J3040G32GX2TC5RK, is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop's RAM. With its high speed, stunning RGB aesthetics, and robust build quality, it stands out as one of the best options available on the market. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a professional content creator, or just someone who demands the best from their system, this memory kit is sure to meet and exceed your expectations. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.